Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, to begin with, I'd just like to wish everyone a happy Easter and I hope you enjoy the long weekend that's ahead of us. So to begin with, the Australian dollar is broken down and from the close of 76.85 does support a further negative case towards a target of 75 cents. Into next week, we do have the RBA and it is scheduled to release its interest rate decision. It is widely expected that the RBA will keep rates on hold, although it is more anticipated that the statement that's released could be more on the hawkish side. If that's the case, then we could find a bit of stability in price, but nevertheless, the next move I see for the next 150 points is down, with the resistance seen at present at 76.90 and then slightly higher at 77.30, which I still view as a supply zone. Overnight, the US dollar surge is nearly 100 points. Now, on the back of this, it was on the back of the release of the GDP, which is the US gross domestic product, which increased by a 2.9% annual rate in October-December, with the Commerce Department said in its final estimate on Wednesday, it did beat its previous estimate of 2.5%, so by 4 pips. Overall, from the rally in the US dollar, I do expect to see further gains and take on the challenge of 90 and maybe up to around about 90.40. This in turn would see the euro weaken and look towards the region of the double top reversal, which is at 121.80 to 122 the figure. Only there a break would give us a next measured move to 118 figure. Resistance on the day is seen at 123.55.70. Well, I did state earlier on in my report that there was bullish divergence. Well, that came through with the dollar yen, and also the rally now looks towards 107.30 or even higher up towards 108. Overall, from a technical point, I am still expecting to see a bullish price action in the next 12 to 24 hours. Therefore, I do expect to see dips on the day to be shallow, with support seen at 106.45 to 105.70. Well, since tackling the 142 region, the pound has lost its footing and now looking further weakness after taking out the support yesterday at 141.30. This has initiated the move towards a target now seen at 140.25, and with there, a break would give us the next move to the uptrend that's seen at 139.05. Resistance on the day seen at 141.20. Well, first of all, with gold, we had a bearish outside range day. And from that, you can see here we got further confirmation after the market plummeted $23 overnight from a range of 143.46 down to 143.23. With the support crushed at 40, I do expect to see further weakness. And now look back towards the region of 1,300, which is the bullish foundations. Any advances on the day towards the upside should find resistance around 29 to 35. And rounding off with oil, well, the market is still slightly bearish in terms of the rejection from 66, but also we've got a long-legged doji. I view the market will be, should continue to be weak and look towards the region of $61 a barrel, with the immediate target at present seen at 63.90 to 63.5. Advances on the day should find a cap around 65.15. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and the Easter break.